What's up? It's Blake from Fulfilled Last Yearnings. I'm here with my girlfriend Nikki. Hey, we just finished our workout today. We're up here at Planet Fitness, and just want to come out here and talk about whether you're working on your fitness or your entrepreneur work, or maybe whatever it is that you're doing. The number one mistake that a lot of people make is like they just jump right into it. And Nikki can talk about that from like her working out experience, right? From working out before and just doing the most that she could possibly do without necessarily doing what was right for her body.
Yeah.
Like now she has a bunch of
imbalances
Yeah.
because I thought I knew what I was doing, but clearly I didn't. I was doing it right, but I wasn't doing the right form, too heavy, wasn't stretching, wasn't warming up. So it messed my whole body up. So we're doing a workout, but before we can do our workout, we're fixing both of our imbalances. And this is our second week doing it. We have 2 more weeks, and then we're going to reassess again to see if we fix them, and then we'll start the workout that we have planned. But you have to fix your body and work on yourself before you can jump into a workout or anything with life, relationship. You have to work on yourself first. That is the key to anything in life, and I can attest to that. So.
Right, so pretty much the goal for like what we're doing is instead of just jumping right into a workout and start putting up weight, we're doing like like a pre-workout phase, right? So if you're high ticket closing or doing anything with communication, public speaking, you're always working on your mind first. But like when we jump into the actual work for the workout we're gonna do like over the next couple of months, we're fine-tuning the different like ailments and misalignments in our bodies so that we can actually prepare ourselves to be in a better position to play in the game, to do the actual physical part, do the nutrition, do all those things that are really going to add up later on. So if you're working out in the gym or you're coaching or you're entrepreneurship or whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's also with school, anything like that, the main piece that you always want to work on is, okay, if this is the brunt of the work I want to do, like what can I do before that to put myself in the best possible shape? Maybe that needs to be some researching for like school or work or whatever. Maybe working out, you need to figure out, okay, I know I don't have much movement mobility in my shoulder, so I need to do some work on that first to like correct any sort of imbalances, because if you start working out on something that's already hurt, chances are you're just going to make it worse, right? So you got to figure out all those sorts of things before you actually can start making strides forward, because at the end of the day, you're just going to keep on staying in your merry-go-round syndrome. You're not going to be able to be your best self. And like that's the worst thing that you want to happen as you move forward. You only have so much time, so make sure you're putting yourself in the best possible spots so you can continue to grow, thrive, and fulfill your life's yearnings. So that's it for us today. We're going to get out of here, go eat, enjoy the rest of our day. I hope you guys go out and do the same thing. So we love you. And always, go out there, be fly.
Fly away.